Hey, to change profile picture on Snapchat, first of all, you have to click on the left upper corner and from here click on the settings. Right now, when you are here, you will have to scroll down and go into the public profile settings. From here, click to edit profile and now tap on this small icon to add this picture. As you can see, in my case, I have to grant permission. So what we have to do in the Android phone, it looks like this, that you have to open the settings, go into the all apps, and from here you have to locate the Snapchat and now go to the permissions and grant permission to your photos and the videos and select ask every time or I'll always allow. And now when you go back and open it one more time, you will be able to actually get the photos. So let's say that I want to get this photo and I have to click save changes, and now as you can see my photo has changed, or it doesn't actually. Okay, let's do this one more time. Let's select and tap on the save changes. And now just wait, and as you can see right now, the profile picture has changed. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.